Oh hi! Today's video is so exciting because we're going shopping. I know you guys love my shopping videos, but this one's a little bit different because we are actually going out and buying all the stuff that is for my birthday party. We're having it in my own backyard. My backyard is just, it's not the cutest thing in the world, so we need to transform it into something adorable, aesthetic, amazing. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown and a little mood board so you understand the vision, the situation. But basically, I want to do like a garden party. You know, like I want fairy lights, we're gonna have a cocktail bar, we're going to have a paint and sip. It's just gonna be like an overall relaxing kind of vibe, but really, really pretty and really like florally spring vibes. And I'm just super excited. I cannot wait. So today is the day where we're going to go and buy all the stuff, and then we're going to go into our backyard and do all the prepping and setting up and DIYing. So you're coming with us, let's go. This is the area that we're working with. So we just have to replace, obviously, this poor crispy little flower, and then that crispy flower as well. It's just dead. It's just dead. We've already planted this, so this is looking fine. This just needs a nice little water, so we'll fix that. We're gonna take the clothesline out. We're gonna hang like fairy lights from here to the house, and you know, do like a archboard situation, fairy lights from there kind of vibe, clean up this, take the boat out. We're gonna have a curtain from like here to here just to hide all this junk. Vines along this roof. We're gonna have a table there with like a little cocktail kind of mocktail area. There's like a food table over there with that combustion stove. We're gonna put a table next to it and just like cover it with a sheet. And yeah, we're just gonna transform this kind of space and also this little space over here as well for my birthday. I'm doing like a paint and sip kind of vibe, so there's like 18 people coming. We need to cater for them. I don't even know how much this is, so we need to find a price checker. We're getting some strings so we can hang flowers from things, make it cutesy. We're just trying to figure out what kind of vibe we're going for, whether we want to go for like the natural pink, white.
Or you go like green, but there'll be enough green on the flowers. I reckon.
Because we're doing vines and stuff.
I reckon white's good.
I think white too. And we're gonna find a price checker. Come with me. What are we thinking? I'm thinking like...
It's going to be $12, and we'll have to get them from Kmart.
Am I a boomer? What's wrong here?
There you go. Regular price.
$8.
Oh,
There's only 5 on the shelf.
Get them at Kmart, and if we need more, we can come back.
Alright. We have a little list here as well, so we're just checking it twice. Oh,
Cocktails.
that's cute.
That'd be cool, where it says like cocktails.
Yeah, because I'm going to have like a cocktail sign with the drinks and stuff on it. We could definitely put something... I like that. That's cute. Comes with the letters. Yeah. We could put them somewhere. I have no idea. They're kind of cool though. Or do they look tacky? Maybe they're tacky. Get that board though. I like that board. This board here. Oop. Almost dropped you guys. We have found the fairy light jackpot, I think. But I wanted to get some string lights, like curtain string lights to go down one of the sheets as a backdrop. I think that'll be cute. How long are these? 1.2 meters. And then we also have these like globe. I told Tyler we needed a trolley and he was like, no, we don't need one. I'm sitting here like this. I think we're gonna grab a couple of these curtain lights. I have a vision. I'll put the vision here so you guys know what I'm talking about. I almost fell over. I need to wait for Tyler to get back because I'm running out of hands. He's just gone to the loo. He needed to pee.
Why did it just fall off?
We're gonna grab one of those cocktail neon lights. I think it'll be cute. Check out a spotlight, grab this stuff, and then we're gonna make our way to the next store. We're at Bunnings. We need to get some string lights, like some fairy lights with a globe on them. We need to get some pavement pieces to like create a step. Potentially some new flowers, some new dirt. We're just getting a bunch of random stuff. We need a trolley for this one. Yeah, we're not forgetting a trolley for this one. Yes, like. Oh, look at these. All right, electrical. Holy moly, look at our selection. Hi, we can have these for our future home. Because we got birds, we can't have actual candles. Teardrop, no. What about these ones?
That's probably the best. The aspen festoon one.
These ones?
That's 15 meters, $80.
Look at these flower ones. They're kind of cute. There's like these colourful flowers. They give tacky a little bit. Oh, look at the itty bitty pink ones. So what are we're doing from the shed to the house? And then are we doing any amongst the tree?
If we get one of those aspen festoon packs, the $80 one, that's 15 meters. That's longer than 3 of those packs. That would be able to go like across, back, across. You know what I mean?
So we're gonna grab some of these. we're gonna grab some of these as well because you can change the colours. So we've got these as our lights. If I had like extra money, I'd so grab some of these just for like decoration. Our back step is literally one of these and it's falling to bits and it's like scary to step on. So we're gonna grab some pavers. Look at all these pavers, wow. These are quite thick. That can work. Oh, look, those are perfect.
For what?
For like when we have a house and like down the sides.
They
kind
are
of vibe.
good, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. We've just decided we're gonna get 4 of these. Tyler reckons he can make it work, so good luck. Do we want to get a bag of dirt and another flower? It's ours, guys. We didn't plan it in time and it died. I love that little flower. Look at him.
Need some, though.
He's cute.
Cool sun. Yeah.
We need something in replacement because they're dead. We have dead flowers. So obviously there's the yellow daisies that are dead in our garden. There's also the pink ones that we bought and haven't potted that are dying.
Yeah.
And then there's the pink ones on the end that are crispy because the sun burnt them.
Those yellow ones are dead, though.
They're dead. What if we just get a shrub? A general shrub. Look at these pink flowers. They're cute. Sweetie.
Hey, wow.
Yeah, I think that's a nice little bundle. There's a dog. Do you see the dog? Look at him. Can I pet that dog? Oh, there's so many dogs. Look at the dog. Alright, so we're getting 2 bags of soil, these pretty little flowers, and then 2 packs of the fairy lights.
Yep.
Done and dusted.
Yep.
Next, we're gonna go to this like kind of cheapish shop. It's got most of the stuff for the party, and at such a good price as well. So we're gonna go there. What are you doing? It's gone crazy. Right, the music's really loud in this store, but anyway, we're just in this random cheap store. It kind of gives Timu. Look at the size of that.
Imagine a cocktail in this. Let's do it. This can be the King's Cup.
But the little flower,
What are they?
they're $3.50.
Those are good.
Together's cute. These are cute. We need some paintbrushes. What do we got going on here?
Turn around, silly.
A little sparkles in them. They're cute. Probably be Etsy because we need to get flowers for the curtain. We need to get flowers for the arrangements, for the like hanging from the strings and stuff. Oh, that's cute too. This is my bouquet so far, but these are just going to be like individually chopped up, hung. That sounds quite like murderous, but they're just going to be like kind of around, so it doesn't have to look good together.
Just this so far. I'm still looking though. Still looking.
And
You reckon we'll have enough? I don't think you'll have enough hanging flowers there. It depends how many you want to hang.
well, the board's not going to take up a lot because you kind of separate them, I guess. I think we'll start with this.
Right.
We'll set it all up. We'll see, because we still have to make the board.
Yeah, I know.
We'll see how many flowers that takes, and then we can see how much we need hanging wise. We need to see like the vines and stuff. I wish we measured. We're so silly. And then
We'll make it work.
Potentially we can even come back to like some of these. Let's go to the like party section and we'll get all that other stuff. This is a big boy. It's $20.
I reckon this one.
This one?
Yeah. I like that.
Vibes. It's not going to fit in our basket.
Just, I'll hold on to it. Babe, they got one with your birthday on it. 70.
Look at our bags. Wow. Stop.
What?
Okay, we're currently in Kmart right now. It's so busy, so I don't know how much we're actually going to film, but there's a couple of things that we need to get in here. I saw these platters. What do you think? Yeah, see? Do you think these would be cute to hold the cocktail menu? It's a little bow. That is so cute. Oh, Ty, look, they've got little disco ball ones. Card holders. I have like a little menu thing for the cocktails. I think something like this would hold really well. Or do you not like the bows? It's not your party though, so it doesn't matter.
So that looks good.
Howdy, folks. Need another pair of these. They're my napkins. Oh, what? That's so satisfying. I just want to squish it. They definitely said they were in stock. Alright, I found the cocktail shakers. They look good and it comes with all the stuff. Do we just need one or two, do you think?
One.
That's nice too. It's like a nice white gold, which is cute. Strawberry.
Straw. Very cute. Cherry, cherry. Stop getting distracted.
Hi, do you TikTok, like YouTube? I do. I just ran into someone who watches my videos and I can't wipe the smile off my face. Like, she was so cool. I didn't even get her name. I feel bad, but love you, girl. I'm gonna grab a couple of these tulips just for like some bouquets and stuff to play around with because they're really pretty. All right, we need two. Actually, I was gonna get 4 of these. We've got 4 rounds. Oh, sorry, 2 rounds. Oh, shoot, there's only 3. These? These, so people can like draw faces and stuff.
True, true.
Imagine that, like holding the paintbrushes.
I like that. Get 20 of those. It's only $200.
All right, this is everything that we're getting. It's a big old trolley. I also forgot to mention this is the step that we are replacing. So it's literally just this like wooden thing, and we're gonna replace it with these. I'm just going to go through and detag all of these as well as like measure them up against the roof, and Tyler is over there being my handyman. He is making up some arches as like a little backboard, photo board kind of thing. So yeah, look at this. Oh wow, nice.
The other one, I'm probably just going to take this much off the bottom off, just so it's a little bit shorter.
Yeah,
That'll just be a straight line.
sounds good. Good job. So we're just putting it back on to the archboard just to keep it supported, and so it has like a little hinge to lean back on. We don't have a drill, so we're doing it the old-fashioned way.
It's alright. It's soft wood, so...
Yeah, it's not too bad. And then I started hanging the lights. Guys, look at these magpies. It's a mama and a baby, and they've just come to chill with us. How cute!
Hello.
Oh, look at oh my god. That is so cool. Honestly, I love magpies so much. Like, that's made my day. Okay, so it's currently 7 o'clock at night, and I've just turned on the fairy lights after we've just hung them. They look so pretty, and then all over there. I'm actually loving the fairy lights, so like they look amazing. Let's go have a look over here. Like, look at this little area. This is gonna look amazing. And then in this corner here, we're thinking of just doing like a curtain to cover the corner here, and also tie these in somewhere with the curtain lights as well. So there's like fairy lights.
We could. Once we put the curtain up, we'll see how it looks.
Finished product of the 2 arches. Sorry, my phone died, so there's no progress, but I promise we've been working on this. We didn't just like cheat code and it appeared out of nowhere. Flowers are sticking with sticky tape surprisingly well, and then we just did this little like neon sign. And then on the day, people are just gonna stand here, take a photo, get a little picky, maybe a group photo, I don't really know. Pretty cool DIY in my opinion. Like, I'm very proud.